California Restaurant Roll dito sa San Marcos Boulevard, San Marcos, California. Ayan. Meron din Buffalo Wings, Wells Fargo, Filipino. Dito is on the other side across the street. Halika, pasok. Tingnan natin dito. What's going on here? Sarado. Wala pa masyadong tao kasi maaga pa. Tapos sarado yung mga dine-in. It's lockdown again here in San Diego, California. There, San Marcos, Marcos din. Ito ang town ng mga Marcoses. Sarado na yata ito. My God, it's a big restaurant. I love this restaurant. Kaya meron silang mga bird of paradise. Sago palm tree. Yung bonsai. Katsu. I love this place. I've been here. They have that Peppan Grill. Okay. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga nandun. Katsu. They're open Tuesday to Sunday 12 to 8:30. Right there. Katsu. Sarap nung ano dito. Japanese food. Kaya lang dry na yung mga halaman. Hindi na didiligan. Ayan, Old California Restaurant. Dito tayo sa kabila. Ikot tayo. Mayroong happy hour. Which one is this? Happy hour. Oh, this is IHOP. Now open for pancake. Yeah, that one is IHOP. They have a happy hour now. Okay. This one, authentic Thai cuisine. King and I haven't been here. They're open. That's the outdoor. Nice. Gelato. Nice. Oh. This one is San Marcos Brewery Grill. So they have some seafood. Patio dining and take out. San Marcos Brewery and Grill. Okay. There's the outside dining right there. Which one is this one? Old California Coffee. Yeah, this one is Old California Coffee. Nice. Where is Acapulco? I know Acapulco is on this side. Ay, merong mga ano doon, nagtitinda ng mga planters, mga paso. Punta nga doon. I'm gonna check the price. California, Old California Restaurant Roll. Yeah, it used to be crowded here on weekend. There. Umiinit na ah. There. Ayan oh. 2010 prime steak ribs and seafood. Which one's that? China Walkery? Saan yan? I didn't see that one. Halika, ikot tayo. Asan yung iba? See, mostly dine out. Where's Acapulco? Ay, doon ano. Ayoko maglakad doon. Ay, naku, ano ba naman tong sasakyan ko, yung pagka-park ko. Okay. Hatsu. This was my favorite Japanese restaurant. Hatsu in San Marcos Boulevard.